All right, I don't know if you've heard, but we're expecting snow tomorrow. Yeah, but what about the months to come?
I don't know. ABC 2 News meteorologist Mike Masco joins us with his exclusive winter outlook. Mike, and you better have good news.
Kelly and Jamie, from record snows in the Rockies to a massive rainstorm in Texas, and now one of the strongest storms in the world to hit the Philippines. Could these extreme events be any indication to an active winter ahead? Without further delay, here's my 2013 winter outlook. Snow falling so hard, trapping drivers in their path.
What I'm going through at this moment is like hell.
While millions left shivering in the dark for weeks.
We have no power, no heat, no electricity, no nothing.
The historic blizzard of 2013 causing death, power loss, and the shutdown of major airports in the Northeast. Only a few hundred miles separating last year's historic snow to a Maryland winter that just couldn't get itself together. Last year, Baltimore saw 8 inches of snow, well below the normal average, while the winter before that producing even less. Only 1.8 inches of snow falling 2 years ago during one of the warmest winters we've seen on record. You could say winter has already begun. A freak October storm last month pummeled the northern Rockies, dumping 6 feet of snow, the all-time greatest snowfall in South Dakota history for the month of October. And in Chicago, the first trace of snow falling at O'Hare International Airport on October 22nd in over 50 years. That same storm pushing the coldest October air into the east, producing Baltimore's earliest freezing nighttime temperature in almost 10 years. The wild October has everyone on guard. Was it a fluke or a warning sign of things to come? It's quite a different picture this year when you look at snow coverage across the northern hemisphere. A side-by-side comparison shows the snow and ice is growing faster than previous years. And last month, snow cover reached its greatest in over 45 years across Asia. A strong sign Arctic air is on the move south. Making a major impact to our winter this year will be ocean water temperatures. The lack of hurricane activity this season has kept ocean temperatures running extremely warm. A strong signal that blocking could develop, flooding cold air into the east and increasing the chance for snow.
The question is that how likely is it that we're going to have a third year in a row of above normal temperatures and below normal snowfall? Very unlikely. If that happens again this year, where we only get 3, 4, 5 inches at Philadelphia, 3, 4 inches at 6, 7 inches at Baltimore, that will be unprecedented, where you have 3 years in a row of below normal snowfall.
Here is my exclusive ABC2 winter outlook. First, let's look at temperatures. December will fare mild with a few cold snaps mixed in. Temperatures will run nearly average, but by January things start to change. Outbreaks of cold air will develop, plunging our temperatures below average for most of the month. February looks to be our coldest month. 15 out of the 28 days in February will feature temperatures near freezing at day, with bitter overnight conditions. March, however, will bring milder weather and a quick bounce to spring-like conditions. Different than last year, the waters will not be as cold in the Pacific. I'm expecting a weak El Nino to develop, strengthening the southern jet stream, producing more coastal storms. This season will see at least 2 major snowstorms, dropping 6 inches or more of snow in the Baltimore area, with just a few smaller storms mixed in through winter. Given the factors that go against the past 2 winters, here is my snowfall projection. The average snowfall in Baltimore is roughly 18 inches. My forecast, 18 to 24 inches. It's not a really bad winter.
That's not bad.
Okay, 18 to 24 inches is average, but think about it. The last couple of years, we've averaged only 9 inches of snow in 2 years. So
we've gotten spoiled, though.
We've gotten spoiled, and we've been lulled into this false sense of security. Winter's going to be back this year. Get ready.
18 inches.
As long as it's spread out.
Yeah, like 9 snowfalls.
There you
yeah,
go.
that's all. You're like my weather bookie now. You know, I go, hey, what are the odds? Hey, come on, let me make a phone call.
Good work, Mike.
All right, thank you, sir. Sure.